Hello and welcome to History Pod. On the 23rd of August 1970, the Salad Bowl Strike, the largest farm worker strike in US history, began in California's Salinas Valley. The United Farm Workers of America, commonly known as the UFW, originated from the merger of two workers' rights organizations in the 1960s. The union and its mostly Latino membership had chosen to support the primarily Filipino Agricultural Workers Organizing Committee in their strike against Delano table grape growers. But, following the negotiation of improved labor contracts that ended the strike in July 1970, they went on to face a direct challenge from the International Brotherhood of Teamsters. Both the UFW and the Teamsters claimed jurisdiction over farm workers, resulting in a conflict that came to a head in the lettuce-growing heartland of America. Just as the Delano grape strike was ending, 6,000 drivers and packing workers, represented by the Teamsters in California's Salinas Valley, went on strike. They subsequently signed contracts with salad growers that the UFW and its supporters denounced as sweetheart deals that denied their organization access to negotiations. UFW leader César Chávez protested by going on hunger strike, and thousands of supporters marched against the grower-Teamster contracts. Then, despite a court imposing a temporary injunction to stop striking and picketing, more than 5,000 workers went on strike in what was the largest farm worker walkout in US history. The price of lettuce more than doubled overnight, and growers lost upwards of $500,000 a day as the UFW called for a national boycott. The Salad Bowl strike continued until March 1971, but disputes continued for a number of years until the California Agricultural Labor Relations Act of 1975 gave farm workers the right to collective bargaining.